Hi, I'm here at the Everett Waterfront. We're enjoying a beautiful sunny day out here by the water. I'd like to talk briefly about auto injury claims. So you get in a car crash and you're definitely hurt, or maybe you're not feeling great, you're not sure if you're going to need to see a doctor, but either way there's some sort of physical issue you may be having. People don't really know what to do right away, especially if you aren't shuffled away to the emergency room and in the hospital for a while. Maybe you go home, you think you might feel okay, you're not sure. So the first thing to do would be notify your own auto insurance company. Make sure you know what your coverage is, what's available for you to use, and any instructions from them on getting medical care billed to them. Then you might want to consider calling an attorney. Even if you don't end up using an attorney or end up needing an attorney, it's always good to know what the options are and what's important with your claim as far as gathering evidence and making sure that your rights are protected. So best bet, I say, contact an attorney. Most attorneys, especially in Washington, will do consultations for free. I certainly do consultations for free. So if you have any questions after a car crash, you're just not sure if you have an injury claim or not, or what to do next, definitely give me a call or email and we'll kind of go over your situation and make sure you're headed in the right direction.